Well, the death toll in western New York after the weekend snowstorm is now to at least 32, with officials expecting that number to rise. This is a live look at Buffalo, New York, the hardest hit city by the storm. As you can see, some of the streets are now clear and some cars are also on the roads again. The National Guard is now deploying some 100 military police officers to help enforce Buffalo's attempts to keep non-essential vehicles off the roads. Right now, there is a driving ban, but the Buffalo mayor hopes to lift the driving ban today and saying vehicles left on streets are posing challenges.
We've got cars abandoned, cars stranded all over the city, hampering the plowing efforts.
And this is a potentially life-threatening situation because if you get stuck and the ambulance can't respond, now they have to jump in the tracked vehicle, which drives a lot slower.
The Buffalo Niagara International Airport is back open after the winter storm forced it to close.